is running for Congress to secure the border, to cut our out-of-control 23 trillion debt and to put service before self like he has always done. He is Sheriff Troy Nels. Vote for Sheriff Troy Nels. Early voting starts October 13. For details, visit nelsforcongress.com.
Take a moment and think about who you rely on most. Now think about how good it makes them feel that you depend on them. So never be afraid to rely on others, because it's when we live mutual that we become fulfilled. To learn how you can protect the people who count on you and secure the future you're building together, contact Lalit Jalan with Mass Mutual Greater Houston at 713-545-9269. That's 713-545-9269.
Namaste, friends. My name is JC Jatan, and I am running for state representative. I'm a small business owner and family man, and like you, I want our community to be safe and our economy to be strong. Early voting starts October 13th and ends October 30th, and Election Day is on November 3rd. This is JC Jatan, and I appreciate your vote for state representative. Thank you.
Paid for by JC Jatan for state representative.
Classy Divas Salon and Spa invites you for our upcoming festive season. Special deals on eyebrow tinting, face polish, fruit scrub facials, and much more. This October only, we present to you our very special pumpkin spiced facial. Experience the beauty benefits this hidden gem facial holds. Come and embrace your beauty. Give yourself the me time you deserve.
Classy Diva Salon and Spa is open Tuesday through Friday, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m., Saturday and Sunday from 12 noon to 6 p.m.
For appointments, please text 856-693-8970. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram for the latest updates.
Visit Maharaja Bhog today and enjoy the best premium veg thali and experience royalty with an unlimited sit-down thali.
Dine in like a king and queen at Maharaja Bhog.
Jalebi and basundi available every day.
Different kind of unlimited items on the menu every day. All safety guidelines are being followed.
Located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Delivery available via Uber Eats, Grubhub and Faber apps. To-go boxes bhi available hain. For details call 713-771-2464 and follow Maharaja Bhog on Facebook.
Eat like royalty. Only at Maharaja Bhog. Namaste Radio.
The hits. The #1 hit music station.
24/7.
Hi.
Welcome back to the third hour of our show today. Namaste Radio. आप हमें every Sunday सुन सकते हैं 1 से 5 बजे 10:50 AM या every Monday to Friday 7 से 12 बजे तक on 10:50 AM. We go Facebook Live, YouTube Live. On our website, you can hear us or see our live stream, namasteradiohouston.com, or just tell Alexa, auntie, yaar, hey Alexa, play Namaste Radio Live.
That's right.
And अगर ये सब भी नहीं हुआ तो just download our app on your phone and listen to us.
वैसे एक उड़ती हुई खबर आई कि पुलिस वाले ने हमारे पप्पू को पकड़ लिया. जो हमारा पप्पू है वो कपड़ों की दुकान पे चोरी कर रहा था, वहाँ से भाग रहा था और भागते हुए पकड़ा गया. पुलिस ने पकड़ के उसको कहा कि तुम्हें चोरी करते वक्त अपनी बीवी और बेटी का ख्याल नहीं आया. तो हमारे पप्पू ने 2 मिनट सोचा और बोला, ओ साहब जी, ख्याल तो बहुत आया था, लेकिन मगर दुकान में सारे मर्दाना कपड़े थे.
सही बात है. लेकिन आगे बढ़ते हैं टू आर ऑफ न्यूज़. पप्पू की न्यूज़ तो आती जाती रहेगी, बट बिफोर दैट लेट मी रिमाइंड यू ऑल दैट if you need anybody for your financial guidance, then we have the right person for you. है ना? क्या बात है?
Absolutely.
And you can contact Lalit Jalan as a financial service professional. He can help you make informed and meaningful financial decisions based on your needs and priorities. So definitely contact. He is a professional at Mass Mutual Greater Houston, specializing in retirement and estate planning. His number is 713-545-9269. Or just reach him on his Facebook page, Lalit Jalan Financial Services. Again, the number is 713-545-9269.
That's right. अभी जो आपका नेक्स्ट सेक्शन है उससे मुझे कभी-कभी खुशी भी होती है और डर भी लगता है.
क्यों?
Because it's world news time. और आज जरूरी और आजकल अच्छी खबरें वैसे सुनने को मिलती नहीं है.
That's right.
Yeah.
लेकिन I try not to read out or share that घिसी पिटी खबर all the time. I try to share news which is very
सनसनी, डराती हुई, दर्दनाक.
अब मैं कोई अर्नब गोस्वामी थोड़ी ना हूँ यार. But मैं ऐसी खबर शेयर करना की कोशिश करती हूँ that will probably apply to people like us,
नहीं ऐसी चीजें नहीं. आप सेक्सुअल अब्यूज की खबरें सुनाती हैं जो होता आ रहा है. नहीं, it doesn't relate to me and you.
So that doesn't apply to Namaste Radio. You've gotten the wrong place. But moving forward, again, we also want to thank at the same time our partner at the news section here, which is India Herald. Thank you, Seshadri ji, for bringing the newspaper to the Houston or the Greater Houston audience every week. India-herald.com or follow them on Facebook, India Herald. So this is a good news. तो आप डरिएगा नहीं सुशील.
Absolutely.
ये है HISD की जो अप्लाई a lot of people go to HISD.
I'm okay with HISD news.
आपके खुद के क्लिनिक्स के बच्चे भी HISD जाते होंगे.
Absolutely.
So
मैं नहीं जाता.
आप नहीं जाते हैं, correct. HISD approves 41 million for PPE, computers and more. So a lot of people who don't have, looking at the online education system right now, people who cannot afford, parents who cannot afford
computers,
laptops for their kids, they cannot. There's so many parents, and even the parents who are sending their kids to school, a lot of parents cannot afford masks and sanitizers.
Okay.
So HISD has approved 41 million for them, and the Houston Independent School District Board of Education voted and approved 41 million budget to fund additional supports for special education, pay for personal protective equipment PPE, enhance cleaning services and supplies, and computer devices and hotspots according to the district.
So basically we are the one who's paying for it. They've approved it, but we are the one that's our money, because at the end of the day, all the ISDs are basically supported by taxpayers' money.
And I guess it's our kids will go. I'm not literally our kids, but it's a part of community.
No, so I'm absolutely fine. मैं तो खाली वो thin line था वो बड़ा था कि
मुझे लगा अभी हम दोनों की debate तो नहीं शुरू होने वाली है.
Because so basically congratulations to you guys who pay taxes actually, so not to HISD. Because you guys are the one who are funding this initiative, giving extra PPE or whatever, the computers and everything. So it's your money.
But there also needs to be people to be able to direct that money in the right format, which HISD is there for.
Of course.
I cannot directly go help those people, so
absolutely.
Yeah.
तुम मुझे पैसा दो, decision मैं बताता हूँ पैसा कहाँ डालना है. Basically वही बात हो गई ना.
सही बात है. So and एक event होता है Houston में every January. एंड मैं हर साल जब ये इवेंट हो जाता है नेक्स्ट डे उठ के बोलती हूँ हाँ नेक्स्ट ईयर तो मैं ज़रूर पार्ट लूँगी.
जनवरी 26 जनवरी
नहीं लेकिन होता नहीं है. बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द शेवरॉन ह्यूस्टन मैराथन दैट हैपन्स एवरी जैन. But this year it has been cancelled because of COVID-19, and there'll be a virtual marathon, and I don't exactly know how that's going to happen. Like we all will be running around our own houses.
No,
like what is
treadmill.
happening?
You'll be running on treadmill.
Okay, so the Houston Marathon Committee announced Monday that last Monday that 49th annual Chevron Houston Marathon and 20th annual Aramco Houston Half Marathon will be held virtually in 2021. The closest I've ever been to doing a marathon is passing bottles to the marathon participants.
I've run a marathon.
Oh, no, wow.
Yeah, that was for cancer cause. I remember when I was 7-8 years ago.
Like 21 miles?
No. It was in some downtown, midtown, downtown. Kahan tha yaar wo? It was in a
So you just ran
track.
basically, not a marathon.
Track. They would call it a 5K marathon. वो running track tha.
Oh, okay. This is usually 21K, I think. I don't know.
I don't know what even 5K means. I'm going to be very honest. I know what 5K, 10K, I don't know what that means. I know it's not kilometers.
No.
definitely not kilometers.
Right?
No, it's not kilometers. So, okay, so moving forward from there, the next set of news is, or do you want to get into a song break? We can do that also. Yeah, let's get into a song break.
वाह
कितने कांच टूट रहे हैं यहाँ पे.
वाह वाह. यू नो ये मूवी बनने के बाद इन पे काफी लॉ सूट्स हुए थे. उनमें से एक लॉ सूट कुत्तों ने किया था.
I think I've heard this joke. Yes.
What?
नहीं, इट्स अ ट्रू इंसिडेंट. कुत्तों की कम्युनिटी ने लॉ सूट किया था. जब लॉ सूट किया गया एंड देन व्हेन दे वेंट फ्रॉम द जज, तो डॉग सेड कि हमें एतराज़ है, तो हमने सू किया है. तो सामने वाले वकील ने पूछा क्यों, क्या हो गया? तो उन्होंने बोला गब्बर ने चिल्ला के मूवी में कहा, बसंती इन कुत्तों के सामने, धर्मेंद्र ने कहा बसंती इन कुत्तों के सामने मत नाचना. तो कुत्तों ने कहा हम तो मूवी में थे ही नहीं, सला हमारा नाम कैसे लिया गया है?
हमें पैसे भी नहीं मिले.
हाँ, हम थे ही नहीं, हमारी कम्युनिटी को बदनाम किया जा रहा है.
But yes, I was looking at this, and actually the case stands for kilometer.
Kilometers.
Yeah, and which is about 0.62 miles. You know. So
1 kilometer is
0.62 miles. Yes.
Okay.
So
0.62 miles.
both ही हमारे marathon की news, Chevron marathon that happens every year. Now the next set of news is that CDC ने बोला है कि trick or treating door to door is very high risk, and you know this festival is so close to every kid's heart, right? Sandeep, did you go trick or treating as a child?
Oh, of course I did.
Right, even I. You won't believe I came
Even you
in.
have?
I came in as a 17, 18-year-old, but my first Halloween I couldn't wait. I just went for trick or treating, like all dressed up and all that. Everybody's looking at me. They're like, "हैं, इतनी बड़ी बच्ची."
वही मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ. I've never been trick or treating, but मैं क्या करता, मैं घर के लाइट्स बंद कर देता था.
वो तो आप क्योंकि आपको चॉकलेट्स नहीं देनी होंगी.
हाँ, इसलिए.
My mom and I used to love doing, you know, giving out chocolates to the kids, and we used to always do that. But haven't done it in a long time.
I have a question. So kids always come and ask you trick or treat, right? So what do you say? If you say trick instead of treat, then what happens?
So they're supposed to trick you, right?
Like what?
I mean, आपके घर का कुछ तोड़ दो या आपके
That's
घर
not
पे
trick.
कुछ
That's vandalism.
अंडा फेंक दो.
That's not trick. That's vandalism.
But you know, olden days में यही होता था.
So basically, if you're not going to give them something, they're going to go and destroy your property?
Not necessarily.
Maybe.
That was just an example. They could just throw an egg at you.
Yeah. So that's assault.
Probably a long time ago that was not considered that way. But yes, trick or treating is highly discouraged, and a lot of places are having drive-through trick or treating these days. Like even in the community where we live, they have drive-through trick or treating.
We got a notification that come and join the drive-through trick and treat.
So finally we can actually go join, right?
Yeah, Halloween event it said, didn't say trick or treat.
And I already have a costume ready for my Simba, so I'm so excited. I am going to get him. So yes, both he and I know it's going to be very sad for the kids, but a lot of parents that I've spoken to with also, they said that we don't want to take our kids trick or treating. So drive-through trick or treating will definitely be good. And थोड़े लोगों का दिल जो खुश हुआ वो अगले दिन बहुत सैड हो गया because when Governor Abbott said that bars can open 50%, but he left the decision up to the county judge, and within few hours Judge Lisa Hidalgo said no way. हाँ संदीप तुम्हारे साथ ऐसे ही हुआ ना?
Yeah, I mean, I can't disagree with her. I agree that give it a little bit more time.
Right?
As a business owner, as a bar owner, I feel bad for them. Right? Because, I mean...
What about KP? What about KP George? What did he
for
decide?
Fort Bend?
Yeah,
I
for
think
Fort
he
Bend.
said the same.
Said the same?
I'm not sure, but I'll have to find that out.
Yeah, I think it's hopefully in the next couple months, hopefully.
Judge KP George.
That's right. So that was about bars. So we're still going to wait on the bars to open. Lekin World Mental Health Day is an international day for global mental health, education, awareness and advocacy against social stigma, which was yesterday. It was first celebrated in 1992 at the initiative of the World Federation of Mental Health, a global mental health organization with members and contacts in more than 150 countries. So October 10th is World Mental Health Day. And this is something that I'm very passionate about because mental health is something which is totally ignored in our community, especially our Desi people. They just like to say, nah, kuch bhi nahi hai.
You know,
Lekin I think it's the biggest disease, if you may want to call that. It's the biggest issue that we are facing, चाहे वो छोटे बच्चे हों, teenagers हों, adults हों या seniors हों.
You know, I completely agree with you. Mental health, especially in any country, not only in Desi but culture. There's a documentary on Netflix. It's called American Murder. It's a very nice documentary. It's basically based on the actual footage taken by cops, body cams and house cameras. It's based on the Watts family murder that happened in Colorado 2018. So this guy, he basically kills his children and he kills his wife and he dumps their body, and then he goes on national television trying to find them, send them text message, hey, come home, I know you're upset, you're gone, and this and that, until he gets caught.
Yeah, and especially with COVID-19, a lot of stuff has been, people have been very depressed and बहुत ज़्यादा effect हुआ है. And I think personally, Deep and I really, we always talk about mental health because, personally, Deep also, right? And I have also been through a lot of depression in life. So
Yeah.
I've given people depression. I've not been through them.
So I've really encouraged people, और मैंने बहुत बार बोला है that if at all you feel low, if at all you feel that you need help, reach out.
Have a drink.
And if
That too.
social के हिसाब से yes for sure, for some people if that helps, but don't become an alcoholic. लेकिन अगर आपको लगता है कि आपके आजू बाजू किसी को मदद चाहिए, don't hesitate, just reach out. I don't know, sometime a text message, sometime just a 2-minute talk can change a lot of things.
Listen to Namaste Radio.
That's
Depression right. सब खत्म हो जाएगी boss.
That's right.
And then you can of course reach us personally as well. So उसमें भी कोई टेंशन नहीं है. लेकिन अगर आप डिप्रेस है तो नॉट टू वरी. अगर आपको बाहर निकलो, और एक जगह मैं आपको बताता हूँ जाने के लिए.
बिल्कुल.
That is none other than Bob's Lounge and Grill, and I'll tell you why that's the place to be. Is one thing is because of the ambience. Very nice, very relaxful ambience. You can meet up with your friends. It's a casual place. They have a full-size bar. Besides that, if you don't drink, not a problem. They have delicious Indian, Chinese and Goan dishes on the menu. Nice place to hang out. They have pool table and a lot of other games and activities to do. If you're a fan of hookah, you can go and do hookah over there as well. They're open 7 days a week. I love Goan food, by the way. So that's one place I'm looking forward to try. They're located at 6401 Hillcroft Avenue. Open 7 days a week from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Their phone number is 281-974-4918 for more information. Or you can go check out their menu online at bobsloungeandgrill.com. Or you can go to Namaste Radio on our Facebook page and you can check their menu as well. The other thing is, I'll tell you how popular that place is because हमारा Deep भाई साहब हैं, हफ्ते में couple of days तो वहीं मिलेंगे आपको.
Yeah,
Deep definitely
because he loves their food.
I love their food, yeah.
And follow them on Facebook and Instagram. They have a lot of updates of food and menu specials. खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And probably very soon we'll be there doing a Facebook live to show you all exactly how the
Can't
food is
wait.
and the ambience and everything. So Deep, let's get into a song and then we'll come back with Sushal's topic. And then we definitely have, I'm excited and we all are excited. We will be talking to Sheriff Troy Nels at 3:30 p.m. So stay tuned.
दूध उबालोगे तो झाग लगेगी और जो सावन में ऐसे नाचोगी तो आग लगेगी आग लगेगी आग लगेगी
छुप छुप के फोटो खींचे देखो जो मैं पलट इन पे बिजली गिर जाए रे सोशल मीडिया पे चर्चे बड़े हैं बच्चे क्या बूढ़े मेरे पीछे पड़े हैं
ओ सावन में लग गई आग दिल मेरा सावन में लग गई आग दिल मेरा ओ सुनग सीना पागल दीवानी सुनग सीना पागल दीवानी आज न सोया सारी आज न सोया सारी आज न सोया सारी रात दिल मेरा सावन में लग गई आग दिल मेरा
This is from that Guinea Wet Sunny.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I can't believe remixes यहाँ तक पहुँच गए कि they're remixing Mika Singh's.
He's making his own
बेचारा वो
remake.
तो जवान है अभी भी.
हाँ, Mika Singh के खुद के गाना है. Wow.
He just released it like 2 years ago, I think. 2, 3.
What, the original song? No, this was a pop song.
Oh, like back in the
days, 90s में था ये. I think.
Okay.
It's pop song, absolutely. लेकिन जितना ये गाना फेमस हुआ था एक ऐसे एक और एक रेस्टोरेंट है ह्यूस्टन में जो बहुत फेमस है. I call the destination restaurant. The reason is because people from all over Texas, they come and eat over here. All corners of Houston come and eat over here. मेरे को उनकी डिशेस के नाम बता दूँ तो you can easily figure out what I am talking about. And इनकी कुछ जो डिशेस जो मुझे पसंद है, it's chili chicken dry या ग्रेवी ले लो, मंचूरियन चिकन ड्राई ग्रेवी ले लो, गार्लिक चिकन, सिचुआन चिकन, चिकन डिलाइट, कुंग पाओ चिकन, ऑरेंज चिकन, चिली पेपर चिकन, हाका पेपर चिकन. ये चिकन की कुछ डिशेस हैं. And same thing you can get in, I know, right? And their seafoods as well, chili shrimp Manchurian, garlic shrimp. Of course, they're known for their rice and noodles as well. Their fried rice, their Sichuan fried rice, their Manchurian fried rice, Hakka noodles, Sichuan noodles, etc. Ooh, a lot of good food. And I'm talking about none other than Aling's Chinese cuisine, the best Indo-Chinese cuisine food in all over USA. Lucky to have them in Houston. They are open for dine-in now at 75% capacity. Also, they're available through Uber Eats, Favor, and Grubhub as well for delivery. Or you can pick up even curbside भी है Rita, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
So they have curbside as well, guys, and they will deliver within 10 miles of radius. So guys, give them a call today at 281-242-0432. Make sure you do make reservations because they do get very busy on the weekends, so they can accommodate you and give you the best service, which they are known for. And of course, don't forget to try their cocktails.
Yeah.
They have the best cocktails in Houston so far that we have tasted and we have seen, in some amazing cocktails. You can go check out on their Facebook and you can see the amazing pictures of the cocktails that Lynn always posts. They're located on Highway 90 and Highway 6 at 6542. Visit them online at harlingschinese.com.
So hungry now.
I know, right? So, इस बार हम मेरी जो टॉपिक है दो बार डिवाइड करेंगे. इस बार हम कुछ कोशिश की डिफरेंट लेके आने के लिए. This time I'm going to bring to you 16 of the most expensive things ever purchased.
Ever purchased.
In the past, we've talked about 10 most expensive materials in the world.
Right.
जो उसमें सबसे महंगा वाला था, that was how many $trillion? I don't even know.
God,
it was I forgot what exactly it was called. It was a blue color material. इस बार हम बात करेंगे आपसे 16 most expensive things ever purchased. So क्या तैयार हैं आप?
हम तैयार हैं.
जो सबसे सस्ती है ये लिस्ट में, वो है number 16. It's called Feather of Huia bird.
Feather of Huia.
Yeah, Huia bird.
Oh
yeah. That's right. Behold, this is the most valuable feather in the world. This feather once belonged to Huia bird. Huia is what's called Huia. आपने नहीं सुना होगा. The reason behind that is because this bird is actually extinct now.
It's an extinct bird.
Yes, it's an extinct bird.
That's why it's so expensive.
That is why it is so expensive. This bird, the bird's plumage was traditionally used to adorn Mario chiefs. उसका जो feather होता रहा वो Mario chiefs में use होता रहा. So the feather was purchased for $10,000. You can check the picture out on our Facebook Live. That's what basically a feather of Huya bird looks like.
Wow, that's $10,000.
$10,000.
Yeah.
Number 15th is a Manhattan parking spot, which was sold for $1 million.
A parking spot for $1 million?
Parking spot. Picture coming up.
Yeah.
Real quick.
Is there? Oh.
It's a little delay between our show and the
of the
live.
parking spot. That's right.
Yeah.
This parking spot was in Manhattan was sold for $1 million.
Yeah.
As we all know, parking spots in Manhattan downtown are very hard to find. So this parking spot in downtown Manhattan was sold for 6 times the average cost of an American home.
Wow.
So because it's $1 million. So however, if you are a driver in the Big Apple, you know this spot is pretty much priceless.
There
you go. That's the spot.
Dang.
For $1 million. And the picture is taken courtesy of Google Maps.
Wow. That's $1 million parking spot.
That's right.
Wow.
So that's number 15.
15, yeah.
Number 14. Oh, I would love to have this, by the way, but I don't know if I can afford it at this point of time in my life.
Crazy.
It's the magnetic floating bed.
Oh.
Yes, this bed is insanely expensive. It's a floating bed a few feet above the ground and can support up to 2,000 pounds of weight. It's the magnetic floating bed, and it was sold for a price of $1.6 million US.
Wow!
I would love to actually.
$1.6 million.
Yes.
Floating bed.
How
do you get? I'm trying to.
When the picture comes, you can actually see.
Yeah.
It's a few feet above the ground.
Yeah. Wow,
there you go. And I'm assuming those anchors they're set over there. They're basically to hold the bed so the bed doesn't move up, right? Or somewhere.
Yeah, I'm sure, yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah, but man, I'm just wondering, that whole piece looks like a properly magnet.
Yeah.
There's no mattress on it. I don't see it.
I
don't know how somebody's going to sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I don't know how is somebody going to sleep on it. So that's right. Magnetic floating bed was sold for $1.6 million.
Wow.
एक break लेते हैं.
Song break लेते हैं, and we will be back and we will be talking to Sheriff Troy Nels, who is standing for Congress for District 22.
And then we'll come back and continue the topic.
Today I want to introduce someone who has made so much difference in our society and has worked hard for the people of this country for over 28 years. That's right, for over 28 years. And he's not stopping there. He's now running for Congress and he wants to make bigger changes and serve us more. We at Fort Bend County sleep very peacefully every night because we know he is in charge. Yes, I am talking about our very own Sheriff Troy Nels, and it is my honor to welcome Sheriff Troy Nels to Namaste Radio. Hello, Sheriff. How are you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing wonderful. Another beautiful day, another great day here in Fort Bend County.
Wonderful. And under your service and your charge, Fort Bend County is always booming and doing absolutely fine. So tell us, why did you decide to run for Congress, and what motivated you towards this?
Well, I've been in law enforcement for almost 30 years, serving as the sheriff of Fort Bend County for the past 8, and that has just been a privilege and an honor to be able to serve as a sheriff of the most diverse county in the entire country, serving over 800,000 people. It's just been very rewarding. I have learned so much from the communities that call Fort Bend County home. The relationships that I and the 826 members of the Sheriff's Office have built with the members of the community, it's been very rewarding. And our communities have suffered so much. I mean, most recently, obviously now with COVID-19, but you got to go a few years back and think about the flooding, the Memorial Day flood, and Hurricane Harvey. So we have just worked so hard and worked so well with the communities in Fort Bend County that it's just been a blessing. It's been a blessing to get to meet the different members of the community, the different cultures and ethnicities that call Fort Bend County home. But now I'm truly looking forward to serving as your next congressman in Congressional District 22. Washington is broken, and they need a breath of fresh air is what it needs, and I want to be that breath of fresh air.
Absolutely, and we have complete trust in you. And exactly something that I definitely want all our listeners to know, that Sheriff Troy Nehls he's just not running these elections and he's come into picture now. He's been there for all of us, for the entire community, and done so much, his entire family. So definitely we look forward to seeing you there in Congress. And you also mentioned the word diverse. And of course, whenever we talk about Fort Bend County, the word diverse goes hand in hand with that. You will be carrying the legacy of Congressman Pete Olson forward, and who's always been a friend of the Indian Americans and has worked with this diversity. You have worked as a sheriff, so how do you look forward to, and how have people been responding to this so far?
Well, I talk to Congressman Olson almost on a weekly basis, and he is supporting my candidacy, and you're right. He has served this district honorably for 12 years and has done a great job, and now I look forward to continuing on with some of the programs and initiatives that he has carried forward in Congress. So it will be an honor to take the wonderful message of unity and diversity that we have in Fort Bend County, in this congressional district, because I think Washington, it is so broken, it is so divided. I think they need to hear about the good news and all the great and wonderful things that are taking place in this congressional district. You see all this civil unrest taking place in parts of the country, and we don't have any of it here. We all live and work together. We all have so many things in common with wanting a safe and secure community, and so it's just there's a lot of great things that are taking place here. I want to take this message, I want to take it to Washington and let Washington know that we have a congressional district here that so many other areas around the country could learn from. And that is how diverse groups can just learn and grow together and live in harmony. And that's what we've been able to do here in Fort Bend County.
Absolutely. That is amazing. Can you share a few of your policies that, there might be someone out there who's listening who's still very indecisive? Could you share a few points for our listeners?
Absolutely. What some of the initiatives and programs that I would like to talk about when I get to Washington is number one, we have to talk about the mental health of the American people. It is a subject that doesn't get discussed much in Washington, but it is a real serious issue we have here. not only in Fort Bend County, but across Texas, across the country. And that is the mental health of the American people. There are so many people today that are suffering from mental illness. They're dealing with depression and anxiety, and it doesn't discriminate. It's rich and poor and young and old. And then we have so many young people today that are attempting to take their lives, and too many of them that are successful. And so that is something that I would like to talk about, is mental health and mental wellness and dealing with health care, making sure that our veterans that are returning from overseas, and all of our veterans, that we provide them the support they need so they can deal with whatever is bothering them, whatever concerns them. And we also have to focus on jobs and bring jobs to this district. Make sure that there are so many people today that are suffering, small business owners that have lost their livelihood, that have worked so hard to build a business, and then to have that all of a sudden just taken away because of COVID-19. So they're going to need our support. The small business owners, those that have lost their jobs as a result of COVID-19, we have to make sure that the federal government is there to support them so they can continue, to raise their families and support their families, and maybe get their business back up and running like it was before COVID-19 hit. And then health care. And I know there are things that are being talked about as it relates to health care. And all health care, we need to have health care that is affordable. That is affordable for everyone in this country. It needs to be more competitive. We have to reduce the cost of health care. We have to do everything we can to get our pharmaceutical companies and stuff back into this country. Because right now, what you see these companies moving overseas, whether it's China or somewhere else, we should have those companies serving us right here in this great country of ours. And I think that will help reduce prescription drug costs. We must ensure that we protect, and I will protect Medicare and Medicaid and those that have pre-existing conditions.
Wonderful. I look forward to, trying from my side also to help you support more when you represent us in the Congress. Of everybody, my entire team at Namaste Radio, look forward to, helping you out and spreading the message to get all these going for the people of our community. And rightly said, I think mental health, especially after COVID, has affected everyone, personally also, everybody that I have spoken with. They have had these issues. So thank you for addressing these issues, and we look forward to, getting all these things in a better way to all our people here. I know you're very busy, Sheriff, so I would not take a lot of time, but before you go, can you give some message that you want all our listeners and our viewers also to know about your campaign, and how they can contact you and how they can be a part of the campaign?
Yes. I have a website, nelsforcongress.com. I would ask that when your listeners decide who they're going to vote for Congress in Congressional District 22, that they look at our record, my 28 years of service to each and every one in Fort Bend County and this congressional district. And my opponent doesn't have that service record. He hasn't been here very long, and he doesn't have much of a record at all. So I think sometimes we ought to just really focus more on the person and not always necessarily the party. And you can always, the Indo-American community, the Hindu community can always consider me a friend. Dharmo Rakshati Rakshitaha.
Wow, beautiful, beautiful. And that actually reminds me of something that when I met you recently at an event, you said that, when we went knocking at people's door, when it was, even during Harvey, it was never about if you were a Republican or a Democrat or a Hindu or a Christian or an Indian or an American. It was all about humans, and that just says it all. So thank you so much again, Sheriff Troy Nehls. And again, like he said, nelsforcongress.com is the website that you all need to visit. And thank you for making Namaste Radio a part of your campaign family and letting us spread the message. And good luck with your campaign. Any which way you think we can help more, let us know. We are here for you.
Thank you. God bless you to you and your listeners.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day, sir.
That's right. That was Sheriff Troy Nels. Thank you for taking out the time and talking with us and sharing your message with our listeners. And again, guys, early voting is starting Tuesday, October 13th to October 30th. That is 13 October से 30 October तक. ज़रूर जाइए. And since you have this right, use this right. So we will get into a song break now, and we will be back on the other side and continue with the message or the topic that Sushil has today. क्लासी दीवा सैलून एंड स्पा आप सबको जाना है. अक्टूबर के महीने में बहुत ही बढ़िया स्पेशल्स चल रहे हैं एंड मेरा खुद का ट्राई करा हुआ है पम्पकिन स्पाइस फेशियल. Brighten your skin, fight that sun damage, exfoliate dead skin cells or reduce redness. So Classy Diva Salon and Spa, text Ruby at 856-693-8970 for appointments. Located in Katy. Follow Classy Diva Salon and Spa on Facebook and Instagram.
That's right. Don't forget to check out Classy Diva and Spa. हम आपसे बात कर रहे थे 16 of the most expensive things ever purchased in this world. Number 16 पे था Huya Bird, store for $10,000. Huya. Number 2 पे था Manhattan Parking Spot, gone for $1 million. Number 14 पे था Magnetic Floating Bed, which was sold for $1.6 million. You can always go to our Facebook Live and you can see the pictures of these insanely expensive items that were sold. तो कितने हो गए? 16, 15, 14.
Number 13.
Number 13. Ta-da-dang. It's a crystal piano.
Oh, a crystal piano.
Yeah, काय photo?
It's there. It's there. I can see it.
So it's a crystal piano. So this crystal piano was used for the Beijing Olympic Games.
Wow.
It was purchased at auction by a private bidder for a record $3.2 million.
Nice.
Wow.
And I bet this piano would sound incredible for $3.2 million.
Yeah.
There you go. That's a picture of this
like
crystal
Beethoven.
piano.
I better sound like Beethoven when I play that.
Imagine Shah Rukh Khan doing that Ruk Jao Dil Deewane on this piano, right?
3.2 million.
Yeah. पूरी मूवी का बजट भी इससे कम होगा पियानो से.
Exactly.
So right, so that was number 14.
12
था?
नहीं, ये 13 था.
That was 13.
So 16, 14, 13, ये 12 था I think.
13, 12 दिखाइए आप.
अगला दिखाते हैं आपको. This is a photograph. It's called Rain 2. RHEIN. That's how you pronounce
Rain
it?
2.
Rain 2?
Okay.
So Rain 2 is a photograph by German visual artist Andres Gursky that was taken in 1999. In 2011, a print was auctioned for a staggering $4.3 million. That price tag makes it the most expensive photograph ever sold in the world. That's the photograph. I don't know what's special about it.
I'm looking at it too. What is it so
It's called Rain 2.
You can just go to my backyard and get that kind of picture.
I don't know really what's so special about it, but it was sold for $4.3 million.
Okay.
Next one on the list, and I like this. इसकी फोटो आएगी तो हम बताएंगे क्या है ये.
बताइए आप. फोटो आज आती रहती है वो.
So it's a gold-plated Bugatti Veyron.
Gold-plated Bugatti.
Yep.
Wow.
Bugatti Veyron. Yes.
Oh, that looks nice.
So this gold-plated Bugatti Veyron was made specially for a Middle Eastern billionaire.
Wow.
Now that is something. Yes, paying 10 million makes sense, but not for that picture.
Cool, huh? So this gold-plated Bugatti Veyron was sold for $10 million US.
Wow.
By the way, Bugatti Veyrons are there. I think they're the fastest car in the world. They have two different engines. One that takes you, I think, till 200 miles. Uske baad, there's a key on the driver's side. You have to unlock the key, and then that adds extra horsepower. So that kicks the second engine in.
Oh wow.
So I don't know what's the speed you can go, but I've heard that's why it's probably the most expensive car in the world. Is
Will
Bugatti
the oil
Veyron.
change be on this car, man?
I don't know if people can do change.
Because I know a regular Bugatti oil change is like what, 20, I think, 20,000, something like that.
I have no idea. Of course, but then वो अगर आप इतना 500 miles per hour पे अगर चलाओगे, I think this goes to maybe about 300-400 miles per hour. But if you do, then you have to replace the tires because your tires get burnt out.
Who's gonna drive that? Vin Diesel, Fast and Furious.
Maybe
That fast.
But dude, if I have a $10 million Bugatti Veyron, I don't think I'll be driving them. I mean, if somebody even scratches it, dude, how much is it going to cost me to change
Sushil will go to the garage every day, go give it a kiss, come back to the room. He'll be like, I'm not touching it further.
I'll keep it
Look
as a
at the picture
showpiece.
too. It kind of looks like it's dented right there.
Yeah.
On the left side, right?
Yeah.
It's the right side.
Oh yeah, but you know what? That's the shadow.
So what is the next one?
The next one on the list, it's a dead shark art piece.
A dead shark.
Art piece. Look at when the picture comes up, and you'll know why it's so special. Often referred to as a dead shark, but officially named the physical impossibility of death in the mind of something living.
Wow.
That's basically what its name is. So this piece was created in 1991 by English artist Damon Hirst. It's made of a tiger shark preserved in formaldehyde.
Formaldehyde, yeah.
Yes, it was purchased by an anonymous hedge fund manager.
Man.
So it's a preserved white shark, tiger shark. That's why it's called that white shark. Sold for $12 million. That art
For a
piece.
second, I thought you said tiger shark. Tiger shark.
Tiger shark.
Tiger shark.
Preserved tiger shark.
Tiger
I
shark?
think these people need mental health. They have mental health issues. Give that $12 million to someone who really needs it.
The Ghost Rider, what was that actor? He's one of my favorite actors, actually.
Ghost Rider?
Ghost Rider.
Nicolas Cage.
Nicolas Cage.
Nicolas
So they said the reason Nicolas Cage went bankrupt very soon because he started buying stupid stuff, and one of the stuff that he bought was a T-Rex skeleton.
T-Rex skeleton.
Yeah, कहाँ रखेगा साला? मुझे पता. Museum बनाएगा उसका. I mean, what's the point, right?
Yeah.
So people buy stupid stuff. Next on the list is a domain, and I like this idea. It's a domain. It's the domain insurance.com.
Oh man, imagine just getting lucky and just like typing it in, buying it.
Yeah, so domain insurance.com.
Yeah.
This next on the list, insurance.com is the most expensive domain name ever sold in the world. It leads the pack just ahead of vacationrentals.com, which was sold for a cool $35 million. So vacation was sold for $35 million, and domain insurance.com was sold for $35.6 million. Makes it the most expensive domain ever sold in the world.
Wow.
Yep.
Wow, 35.6 million.
Insurance.
35.6 million.
एक ब्रेक लेते हैं, उसके बाद आगे आपको जाके बताते हैं कि आगे की लिस्ट में क्या है हमारे पास. आओ.
That's right.
बेदर्दी इश्क ने गोड़ा सबका दिल, इसने तोड़ा हर आशिक, इश्क से हारा हमको भी, इश्क ने मारा आए चैन कहीं ना, कर दे मुश्किल जीना इश्क कमीना, कर दे मुश्किल जीना इश्क कमीना.
बेदर्दी इश्क ने गोड़ा सबका दिल, इसने तोड़ा हर आशिक, इश्क से हारा हमको भी, इश्क ने मारा आए चैन कहीं ना, कर दे मुश्किल जीना इश्क कमीना, कर दे मुश्किल जीना इश्क कमीना.
सो इससे पहले सुशील और महंगी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करें, हम आपको याद दिला देते हैं नवरात्रि इज जस्ट राउंड द कॉर्नर, October 17th to October 26th. तो आप जाइए, विजिट करिए गौरी सिद्धि विनायक टेम्पल. स्पेशली नवमी पूजा के लिए October 25th को महापूजा है, महाआरती है, प्रसाद भी बांटा जाएगा. लेकिन प्लीज़ वेयर योर मास्क, मेंटेन 6 feet डिस्टेंस, and visit the temple at 5645 Hillcroft Avenue, Suite 701 पे. पंडित प्रदीप पांड्या जी का नंबर है 832-466-9868. Follow Gauri Siddhi Vinayak Temple on Facebook and Instagram. So, Sushil, next कौन है?
Next on the list, we're talking about the 16 most expensive things sold in the world. I think next is number 8 on the list. Ugly jo cheez hai, this is a timepiece. So this is a watch made from 201 carat
It's actually number 9.
gemstone.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
number 9?
No, 8. You're
Number
going
8,
down, right?
Yeah, I'm
So
going
yeah.
down. Number
Okay,
8.
8, yeah.
So this, if you look at the picture, this is an expensive timepiece sold by Chopard. Chopard is a watch brand. In a 201 carat, it's a 201 carat watch, luxury wristwatch that features about 874 diamonds. Wow. I can see it looks like a rock actually, but if you look and pay attention in the center, you can see the hands of the watch. So you can see it's actually a watch timepiece.
Jeez.
There you go.
Yeah, they're
So this timepiece, 201 carat gemstone watch, sold by Chopard, was sold for $25 million.
Wow.
That's right. Number 8.
25 million.
8 on the list. It has 874 diamonds.
Gee.
And they say diamonds are a woman's best friend.
I mean, I like Louis Vuitton too.
Louis Vuittons are a girl's best friend too. That's number 8. Watch made from a 201 carat gemstone Chopard. Number 9. No, sorry, I'm going backwards, right? So number 7.
Yeah, 7.
Number 7 on the list is a 1963 Ferrari GTO. 1963.
Ferrari GTO.
Yes.
That much.
After being purchased by an anonymous collector in the UK, this classic red hot rod became the most expensive car of all time.
Look at that. I mean,
it was sold for a staggering price of $52 million.
Wow.
1963 Ferrari GTO. It's a piece.
सुवाद करे छे.
Exactly.
I can see like a James Bond movie driving that.
But it's 1963 यार, साले में इंजन भी नहीं होगा. होगा, I mean
it's
इसको oil change
52 million without an engine.
ये होगा, इसको oil change कौन करेगा, you know? I'm just worried about
Basically
that.
मुझे लगता है जब लोगों के पास बहुत पैसा आ जाता है, they just don't know what to do. That's what this entire section is a result of that. But yes, let's move forward.
So this was number 7. Number 6 on the list is the Graf Pink diamond.
Speaking of diamonds,
it's a solitaire. It's a Graf Pink diamond. The famous Graf Pink diamond, that's what's called, has been often likened to pink champagne. That's what basically it looks like. British billionaire Lawrence Graf, that's what's called Graf Pink diamond, purchased this 24 carat diamond. It's a 24 carat diamond at an auction, paying a staggering price of $46 million for this rare gem. It's a 24 carat diamond. There you go.
Wow.
For $46 million.
Only.
Okay. Next one on the list is called the card players.
Card players.
Yes, you look at the picture so we can figure out what it is. But the card players is a series of oil paintings by the French post-impressionist artist Paul Cézanne.
Paul Cézanne.
Yes. Cézanne. So one version of the card players was sold in 2011. So it's a series of oil paintings. But the one version of the card painting was sold in 2011 to the royal family of Qatar. Qatar? Yes.
Qatar, yeah.
For almost $300 million. Wow. Look at the painting. Yeah, I will do a better job than this in half the price. नहीं होगा तो करवा लूंगा यार कहीं से.
I can do it. Seriously.
Keep scrolling down.
You know my painting skills. I can really
Absolutely.
paint.
तुम क्या? अबे इसके half price में वंशिका 10 पेंटिंग बना के देगी.
Half क्या 10% भी चलेगा यार.
और संदीप lifetime DJ event free करेगा आपके लिए. Half the price में.
Half the price.
10 painting Sandeep lifetime DJ free. There you go. So yep, sold for almost $300 million. So the actual price is $275 million. That's what was sold for. Next one on the list is it's a villa. Now this is something becomes more interesting.
I can see the villa already.
Yep, it's a villa. It's called Villa Leopolda.
It looks like a big castle.
Yeah, and that's
it's a villa, yeah.
So the Villa La Leopolda is a spawning estate in Villa Franche-sur-Mer, which is of course on the French Riviera. That's what the name sounds like. At one point, it was used as a World War II hospital. Ooh, I would not like to buy this, but it's now on the market for a staggering $506 million.
Wow.
Yep, it's called Villa Leopolda.
What? Oh, Leopolda.
Villa Leopolda. Yeah.
Next on the list, which this one is worldwide known. I don't know why this guy spends so much money on building the most expensive house in the world today.
Oh my
Any
God,
guesses?
this is such a disaster. I have seen it personally. That's why I can say I don't believe what others.
And it's named
It's
after.
in Mumbai, Sandeep.
Yes.
I saw the picture and from a distance. I could tell whose place that was.
And it's named after a mythical island. Any name? Guesses what the name is?
Let's start
Antilla.
with
Antilla.
Antilla.
Number 3.
Antilla.
Antilla.
So
1 billion. Can you believe it?
Yep.
For something looking like that.
Yeah, and I don't know what
I've
it
seen
looks like,
from
but
too,
it's very interesting.
Not inside, but I've seen it from a distance. Yeah.
Apparently, I've heard it has like 6 floors of parking and 1 floor of like like of course 2-3 floors are just like living area. 1 floor is only for the maids of the house and all of that.
So they have a snow room, they have an ice room, they have a theater room. So
At the top, he has a helipad.
helipad, of course. 3 helipads and 6 stories are just for his cars. He has
So we are
100
talking
cars.
about
Antilla.
Antilla, owned by Mukesh Ambani. of course.
The most richest Indian in the world today.
600 staff.
34-story
jobs
home.
right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a 34-story home.
And when you go to Mumbai, if you see it, there are some beautiful houses next to it. और बीच में ये अजीब सा दिखता है.
By the way, it has 3 helipads. Like I said, it is a parking garage that holds about 160 cars, which he owns.
I told you.
So due to the mammoth size, the building requires 600 full-time staff. 600 to keep it running. Antilla, made for about $1 billion US.
That's right.
Number 3 on the list.
And we have 2 more minutes.
So number 2 on the list. This is the most expensive yacht. It's called the History Supreme Yacht. Yacht. The History Supreme is a yacht made from solid gold and platinum. That's why it's expensive. You can see on the picture. You see the bottom? It's made out of.
$1.5 billion for that.
Yes, it also contains statues made out of real dinosaur bones. By the way.
$1.5 billion. I thought it would have been like the size of a cruise line.
Yeah, statues made out of real dinosaur bones. It was bought by an anonymous Malaysian businessman for a whopping price of $4.5 billion US.
Wow.
ये तो कुछ भी नहीं. Number 1.
What is it? What is it? What is it?
I think this was number 1. I think I made a mistake in counting.
No, there is a number 1 next. Yeah.
I don't think इससे कुछ number 1 में होगा यार. I made a mistake on counting, but there's another one on the list, of course. That's not the most expensive one, but I think that comes down to the 4th most expensive one actually. So I skipped one by mistake. This is none other.
Yeah. Okay.
So there's none other than it's a painting masterpiece. Any guesses?
Has to be Leonardo da Vinci's
Yes.
masterpiece, of course.
And the name of the masterpiece?
Salvatore Mundi.
Salvatore Mundi. तुम देख के पढ़ रही हो. How do you know?
No, I was reading it.
Okay, there you go. Yes, the masterpiece is called Salvatore Mundi. It's not Mona Lisa. So this Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece Salvatore Mundi was bought for a whopping price of $450 million US during a November 2017 auctions. Only.
Wow.
The sales makes this painting a world auction record for any work of art sold at an auction for that price. So this is the 4th most expensive one.
Wow. Great topic, Sushil. Thank you so much for bringing the most expensive thing sold in the world to our listeners and viewers. And इसी
के साथ हम
टॉपिक
अपने
के
समाचार
साथ
समाप्त
मैं
करते
और
हैं.
सुशील आप सब से